The center tab is the shopping tab. Here is where you will find all the shopping opportunities around you. In the middle panel, there are TCBA merchants ordered by their proximity to your current location. Be sure to enable location services for the app so it can order the stores nearby to you. You can scroll down this list. Continue to pull down on the screen to reveal more. New stores show up as you scroll down. Tap on any entry to see the detail of that store. After tapping on a store item from the main store listing, you will see the detail of that TCBA merchant. At the top, you will see buttons to call and email the merchant. If the merchant has a location you can visit, you'll see their address as well as an orange square that shows its distance to you. Tapping on this orange distance indicator will give you the option to get directions from your mapping app. Just below the address is the cash back and loyalty percentage that this merchant gives you on eligible purchases. Scrolling down the page, you will see details about the store. Further down, you'll see more featured images, as well as a map of where the store is.